Good day and thank you for watching this video. This is my second video on solving word problems, particularly solving work-related word problems. And if this is your first time to watch or to be on my channel, please take time to like and subscribe on my channel. And without further ado, let's get started. So for this video, I'll be covering two major themes. One is when one of the persons / machine / object's time is missing, and the second one is when there are more than two persons or machines or objects are involved in the problem.
Problem number 1. Adeline and Megs have to stuff and mail 1,000 envelopes for a new marketing campaign. Megs can do the job alone in 6 hours. If Adeline helps, they can get the job done in 4 hours. How long would it take Adeline to do the job by herself?
Solving this problem algebraically, we need to refer to the equation that we used in our first video, and that equation is 1 over first person's time plus 1 over second person's time, all equal to 1 over the time that they spend if they work together. So in this case, that should be 1 over Meg's time plus 1 over Adeline's time, all equal to 1 over time that they spend if they work together. Now we can let A be the time that Adeline can do the job working alone. So we can now substitute the values on our equation. That should be 1 over 6 plus 1 over A, all equal to 1 over 4 or 1/4. And isolating 1 over A on one side of the equation, or at the left side, we should have 1 over A is equal to 1/4 minus 1/6, and multiplying both sides by the LCD or the LCM. The LCM here is 12, LCM of 4 and 6, so multiplying 12 to both sides of the equation, so we should have 12 over A. 12 times 1 over A is 12 over A, all equal to 12 times 1/4, that's what, 12 over 4, minus 12 over 6. Now simplifying 12 over 4, we should get 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 12 over 6 is 2. Hence we have 12 over A is equal to 3 minus 2. And simplifying further, 12 over A is equal to 1. And doing cross multiplication to find the value of A should be equal to 12 over 1, or simply 12 hours. Therefore, the time, or Adeline's time, if she works alone, is 12 hours. Now here's a faster way of solving this problem, and this is just a slight modification of the shortcut that I introduced on my first video on this topic. First, we let a variable for the missing time, and in this case, the missing time is Adeline's time if she does the work alone. And I prefer to use the variable A, so let A be Adeline's time if she does the work alone. Now the equation would have the form A is equal to the product of Meg's time and the time if Megs and Adeline work together, over the difference of Meg's time and the time if they work together. Now on the denominator, we can also interchange it. We can have the time first if they work together minus Meg's time. However, our final answer should be to get the absolute value, because we will be getting a negative answer at the end. So I prefer to put Meg's time as the minuend and the time if they work together as the subtrahend. Now after that, we can substitute the values. So we will be multiplying 6 and 4. 6 is Meg's time and 4 is the time if they work together. 6 times 4 on the numerator over 6 minus 4. Simplifying, we get A is equal to 24 over 2. And simplifying further, 24 divided by 2 is 12 or 12 hours. Hence, Adeline's time if she works alone is 12 hours.
Problem number 2. Tito can dig a hole by himself in 12 hours. Vic can do it in 8 hours and Joey can do it in 6. How long will it take if they work together? This problem involves 3 persons and we are asked about the time that they can do the work if they work together.
Solution to this problem is very similar to the one that we had when we solved work problems involving 2 persons or 2 machines. Only that we will be adding a term in our equation. So first, we need to let a variable for the unknown. In this case, we are looking for the time if they work together. We will let t be the time that they can spend if these 3 persons work together. Next, we will get their output in 1 hour. So for Tito, that would be 1 over 12. For Vic, that would be 1 over 8. For Joey, that would be 1 over 6. All equal to 1 over t. At this point, we can simplify the left side of the equation by multiplying the LCM or the LCD. In this case, the LCM of the 3 denominators, 12, 8, and 6, is 24. Multiplying 24 to the left and right sides of the equation, we will get 24 over 12 plus 24 over 8 plus 24 over 6, all equal to 24 over t. And simplifying, 24 over 12 is 2, 24 over 8 is 3, and 24 over 6 is 4, all equal to 24 over t. Now simplifying further, 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9, and 9 is equal to 24 over t. To solve for t, we will be doing cross multiplication, and we can get t is equal to 24 over 9, and converting this into mixed number form, we will get 2 and 2/3 hours, or that's 2.67 hours, or simply 2 hours and 40 minutes. Now this would be the time they can spend if they work together. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you learned something from this video. Please drop any comment, suggestion, or reaction. And until then, see you, thank you, and God bless us all.